Everyone, and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to sign up with WordPress. And you've already signed up before, how to log in or enter your existing site address on WordPress. So here we are. This is WordPress. Write, edit and publish from anywhere. Now I want to sign up, so you click on sign up with WordPress. And the next thing you're going to do is to log in WordPress for Android with your WordPress.com account. Now, if you don't have an account, you click on create an account. Now, once you want to sign up for WordPress for Android, you are going to create a WordPress.com account. Then you put in your email address. It must be a working email so you can receive your information. Choose a username. Then we click on create an account. Password is too easy to guess. Okay. Let's see what happens next. Your site has the Jetpack plugin. The Jetpack mobile app is designed to work in combination with the Jetpack plugin. Switch now to get access to start notification with the ammo. Switching in free. Okay, let's switch to Jetpack. Let's see what happens next. Oh, we have to install it. Oh no, I don't want to install it. Let's go back and do it without the Jetpack. Let's see if we can do it without it. Continue without it. I don't have any site, so I have to create a new site for my business, magazine or personal blog, or connect to the existing WordPress installation. So that's it. You've signed up for it. So the next step is how to create a new site for your business. So we'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching.